Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Tune 220 TWS. So the problem is battery backup. Both earbuds are not working. In the sense the battery backup is just 2-3 minutes, then it is turning off. So my plan is to replace the batteries of these two earbuds. So without wasting any time, let me show you how to replace the battery of this JBL Tune 220 TWS. Let me take out one earbud. So I'm going to keep this separately. So I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this earbud. The other one I will do it offline. So without wasting any time, the battery is located here, this point. So we have to give some heat. There will be clips, so taking this out is very delicate, so don't pull it just like that, because there is tiny flex cable running out here for this charging point. So alright, just I am going to give some heat and I will remove this. So I have given heat, so this will come out just like this, you can see. So there is a lock here, don't pull from this side. So like this, you can see, without damaging anything, I have taken out the housing of this. So you can see the battery is here. So I am going to use this battery. So you can see the specification, 3.85 volt. The battery which I am going to use is bit bigger in size, and the battery backup will be definitely more than what it is currently existing when it was new. You can see the difference in the size of the battery. I have used this battery for many earphones of this model Tune 220 TWS and as well as Tune 225 TWS. So this battery is exceptionally good and it is very rare to get. So if you want me to replace the battery of this type of earbuds or this earbud, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore, so you can send it to me through courier. I will fix it. I will replace the battery behalf of you and I will ship it back to your place, to your address. So even if you are in remote village area, then also you can send it to me using speed post courier, that is from India Post. So India Post has almost access from any part of the India, any village you can send it. So alright, let me continue. So this battery is bit bigger in size, so I am going to slightly close this because there is a bit extra space here. So I am going to slowly push like this so that it will sit here. Even without pushing also it will fit, but still I want to do that. So this is very high quality battery, first quality battery, very rare in India. So alright, now what we have to do is like, just we have to pull the battery like this. So you can see tiny flux cable running out here just at the bottom. This is for charging section. So I'm going to show. So while replacing the battery, it's time to clean these 3 points here as well, so that charging points will be very clean here. So alright, now we have to take out these two wires here. You can see red and black. We have to install this same red and black here to the respective color terminals. Otherwise, if you replace the terminals, then motherboard will be of no use. So alright, without wasting any time, I will take out this battery and I will install here and I will show you. So now I am going to take out this battery here. It's a bit difficult to show in this video, so I will do it. So this is the battery which I have removed. This is 22 mAh 3.85 volts battery. So the battery which I am going to use here is 30 mAh with 3.8 voltage. So perfect battery. Battery backup will be definitely more. So now I am going to install this battery here in this earbud and I will show you. So now you can see red has gone to plus terminal and black has gone to minus terminal. So the battery is perfectly installed here. Just I have to position it here. So before that I want to clean these 3 points here. So let me clean this. So I have cleaned the terminal and just positioning it back to its place just like this. So very delicate flux cable is here. Please don't break it if you are trying to do it by yourself. So alright, now I am going to simply position the battery here. So just I have to adjust here. Positioning here, so you can see perfectly seated here. Now simply we have to close the housing, that's it. So let me do that. So since the battery is big, I am going to slowly make it small by bending the terminals here. So I am going to remove this insulated tape So that part is pending. You can see here how I am going to do this. Simply I am going to take out this terminal and I'm going to push like this. That's it. So I have pushed it. Now simply I have to place it here, positioned here properly. Work has been done. So simply I am going to put little bit of glue here. So then I am going to close it. So let me apply the glue first. So in this point I am going to apply little bit of glue, not much, like this. So similarly here as well. So you can see the black part here. I have applied the glue. So simply by positioning it and closing it, matter is over. Very simple. So you can see now it is closed. Just I am going to use isopropyl alcohol to clean this, and we have to keep this for some time, like holding like this, so that glue will stick to its place. So it's now time to put the earbud in the case. You can see it has started charging. So you can see this is charging. Now I will show you the working functionality here. After that I will put in the clamp for bonding. So now if I take this out, you can see it has started working. Blue light is blinking here. So let me open the Bluetooth page here. So you can see JBL Tune 220 TWS has listed here. Clicking the pair button. So it is connected and active. This is perfectly fine. So similarly, if you have any earbuds like this, JBL Tune 220 TWS or Tune 225 TWS or any JBL Tune 230 TWS, 130 TWS or any model, please don't forget to message to this above WhatsApp number. I am here in Bangalore. I can replace it behalf of you. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.